Hello everybody, my name is Katja Macabre, better known here as the Yogi vocal coach, and I mentioned in my last video that I was going to be putting together a video using my water and straw that I never used. That's our starting note. Are we ready? Nice deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Nice deep breath in. Low pressure. Keep it going. Couple more. Last one. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to replay it as much as you need to go over those exercises with me. I know I only did one demonstration for each of them, but I promise you they are super useful exercises to keep in your back pocket for a rainy day, or just to kind of have in your repertoire for your daily or weekly practice. If you enjoyed this content, I do offer weekly or fortnightly lessons with me. They are £30 GBP. They can occur online or if you live locally in person, and I teach Mondays through to Wednesdays. Make sure you leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next or how you plan to use these in your routine. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much for singing with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!